Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us start with today's session. Problems on helical spring. Problem number 2. Helical spring valve spring is to be designed for an operating load range of approximately 90 to 135 Newton. F1 and F2 is given. The deflection if the spring for the load range is 7.5 millimeter, y dash is given. Assume the spring index is 10, C is given, FOS is equal to 2. uh, Design the spring. Next, datas. F1 is given 90, F2 is 135 Newton, and deflection is 7.5. Deflection means y is not given, y dash is given. Because of two loads, you have to solve on F2, 135 Newton only taken. F1 is not taken in this problem because of design the any spring design spring for maximum load and maximum deflection, and C is given, d by d ratio is 10. FOS is equal to factor of safety 2. Design the spring. And then in this problem, no need to calculate specific unknowns, no need to calculate other unknowns, only you have to design the spring, total design the springs. Okay, let us start. Assume CVS means chrome vanadium steel uh, is not given in the problem. You can assume chrome vanadium steel. From table number 20.10, tau y and rigidity modulus G, you have to note down in data book from table number 20.10. And then maximum deflection y2 is equal to uh, y dash into f2 divided by f2 minus f1. This equation is given in data book from 20.31. Equation 20.31. Substitute data. Y dash is 7.5 into f2. F2 means 135 divided by 135 minus 90. Y2 is equal to answer 22.5 millimeter. Next, design the spring for maximum load and maximum deflection. Only have to take y2 and f2 only have taken. No need to take an f1 and y dash. Only f2 and y2 is given, taken. Next, dia of wire where tau shear stress formula in table number from in equation 20.22. You have note down this formula. I don't know k, d and small d, where how to find out where c is given 10, d by d multiplication where d is equal to 10 into d, and k is equal to c is given in the problem 10. C is equal to 10. Substitute, and for answer 1.1448. K is equal to answer. Next, substitute k value where 8 into f2 135 and d is equal to 10 into small d into k value 1.1448 divided by pi into d cube. D remaining is 2 square root. Tau is equal to small d is equal to tau is given 345. How to find out? Where tau y is equal to 690 divided by factor of safety is 2 divided by 345. Okay, you have to substitute. How will you find out? Where tau y is given, factor of safety is given, both will divided by, and you will get standard tau, and d is equal to 3.37, approximately 3.4 millimeter. Next, dia of coil capital D, C is given 10, where d by t, where d is equal to 10 into d, where capital D is equal to 10 into small d 3.4, capital D is equal to uh, 34 millimeter. Next, outer die of coil and inner die of coil, where d plus d, where d 34 plus 3.4 equals to 37.4. 34 minus 3.4 is equal to 30.6 millimeter. This is the outer die of coil, inner die of coil. Next, number of active coils, where 8 into this equation is 20.29, equation is deflection, equation is 20.29, where 8 into F2 135 into where dq, where d is 34q into I don't know I, divided by d to the power of 4, where small d is 3.4 to the power of 4 into rigidity modulus, how much, 79 gigapascal, 79 into 10 power 3. Y2 is calculated previously, y2 is 22.5, y2 is 22.5. To find out I is equal to 5.62, approximately 6 numbers. And free length, where L0 is equal to I plus n into d plus y plus a, where n is equal to constant is always 2, and y2, how to find out y, this y, how to find out y, same formula for y2 for equation number 20.29, same formula I have to write, and 8 into 135 into 34 cube, I substitute 6 divided by 3.4 to the power of 4 into 79 into 10 power 3, where y2 is equal to 24.022 mm. Next, clearance for 25%, where 25 divided by 100, 25% divided by 100 into y2, this y, 25 divided by 100 into 24.022, where a equals to 6 mm. Next, to find out pitch, where P is equal to pitch L0 minus 2 into d divided by I. From this equation is from table number 20.14, page number 20.18. This equation is given in the data handbook, where L0 is equal to how much? For L0 is equal to, where I is 6 plus 2, n is constant, where d is equal to 3.4 plus y equals to this way 24.022 plus a equals to 6, where L0 is equal to 57.22 millimeter. Substitute in this formula, L0 is equal to 57.022 minus 2 into small d 3.4 divided by I is 6, where pitch is equal to 8.4 millimeter. Okay, and required rate of spring, where F2, where required rate of spring is formula for 20.30 for F divided by y, where F0 is equal to F divided by you have to write the formula for F2 divided by y2, because of design for maximum load and maximum deflection, because of I will write this formula, where F2 is equal to 135 divided by y2 is this 22.5, where 22.5 equals to for 6 Newton per millimeter. And then actual rate of spring. This formula is equation number 20.30. Both formula are there in the data handbook for same page and same equation. For D, substitute 3.4 to the power of 4 into rigidity modulus for 79 into 10 power 3 divided by 8 into where I number of active coils 6 into D where capital D equals to 34 cube. Answer F naught is 5.62 Newton per millimeter. Next, total length of wire where L is equal to pi into D into I dash. Uh, I, I know pi and D. I don't know I dash where I dash is equal to I plus N where I is equal to 6 plus N is constant always 2 where I dash is equal to 8 where pi into 34 into 8 I dash where L equals to 854.51 millimeter. This is the complete design of helical spring. You like this video, please subscribe, share, comment on this video. Thank you.